In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a button on Squarespace. First, let's dive right into the starting point of our journey, visiting Squarespace. Navigate to the main website of Squarespace. Once you're there, you're going to be greeted with an array of options, but what you're looking for is the login option. Spot that? Great, click on it. Now, Squarespace offers a few different ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, we'll be using the Continue with Google option. This is assuming you've previously set up your Squarespace account with a Google account. Click that and it will bring up a list of your Google accounts. Carefully select the one associated with your Squarespace site. After successfully logging in, it's time to direct your attention to your specific website. Look for an option that either displays your site's name or a visual representation of it and click on it. This action should transport you to the back end of your Squarespace site, where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to locate the Style option. This might be nestled under various headings depending on your dashboard's layout, but it's there. When you find Style, click on it. It's usually represented by a paintbrush icon or simply the word Style. After accessing the Style menu, search for the Colors option. You'll notice an arrow beside it. Clicking this will expand the color settings available to you, letting you get down to the nitty-gritty of customizing your site's aesthetic. Within the Colors section, your next task is to identify the color theme your site is currently using. It's like picking the palette you're going to be working on. Found it? Perfect. Click on the color theme of your section. After you've selected your theme, now focus on finding your button within this palette. This could be under buttons or a similar heading. By clicking on your button, you'll isolate it for color customization. You'll now see an option for primary button background. This is where you select the new color for your button. But instead of choosing from preset colors, let's make it uniquely yours. Click on Custom. This opens up a world of colors for you to choose from. Either enter the hex code of your desired color or manually select it from the color picker. Once you're satisfied with your new button color and you've given it that personal touch, the final step is to save your changes. Locate the Save button, give it a click, and voila, you have successfully updated the color of your button. By following these steps, not only have you personalized a key element of your website, but you've also taken a step further in making your Squarespace site truly unique to you and your brand. Remember, tweaking little elements like button colors can significantly impact your site's overall look and feel, making it more appealing to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your Squarespace site more beautiful, one button at a time.